Unong yalam kaliang persya hayang dorbar ba Roni Lyngdoh ulong ba kidang don shibun kila Jingsumar ba 4 don hakajala kum hanigrims kumta ulong ba don kam bandon no kum ka aims banyo yakitai baro. Habara yakani hakikenta keli hayang dorbar uba Roni ukentu ya menteri ban shimkia yakani ka benta.
I will now call the House to order. So let us take up the question and question number 1 of today's in the list of questions. I would like to inform the House that start question number 117 has been listed as number 60 in advance list. But the statement reply for the department came late and it was not possible to print an incomplete reply. Therefore, now the statement has been received. So I will take up the question number 117 laid by Sri Roni V. Lyngdoh as question number 60 as listed earlier in advance list. So Minister in charge may reply. Question number 117 has been brought forward as it was already in the advance list. It was listed as question number 60. So you may give a reply to the question.
Honorable Speaker, sir. Reply to start question 117, sir. A, sir, no. B, sir, no. C, sir, no. D, sir, not applicable. E, sir, Nagrams is already established by the Ministry of Health and Family Welfare, Government of India, through an Act of Parliament in 1987. It is registered as an autonomous institute under the Meghalaya Societies Act 1983. So F, so the intention and purpose of the government to set up the MMDSL is to enhance drug procurement and supply management, ensuring continuous availability of medical supplies, maintenance of medical equipment for health facilities in Meghalaya, standardization, specifications, tender procedures, billing and payment systems to achieve efficiency in drug distribution. G. So yes, as per the Drug Reduction, Elimination and Action Mission, which we call in short DREAM, project setting up of de-addiction centers is proposed. H, sir, details given as per statement laid on the table of the House, sir. I, sir, it does not arise.
Sir, in the course of the reply of the Honourable Minister to question 117A, the answer is no, B no, C no. Sir, I have here a copy, reply of the Ministry of Health and Family Welfare, Government of India. Proposal to set up more AIMS-like institution in the country, sir. The ministry has received requests from Karnataka, Kerala, Goa, Tripura, Sikkim, Mizoram, Manipur for setting up AIMS-like institute in their states. Sir, here also, in reply to the Committee on Estimates, sir, of the Parliament, the committee would desire to know whether the ministry has plans to set up, has plans to upgrade RIMS or any other medical institutions in the Northeast region in view of the fact that only one AIMS in Guwahati cannot be accessible sufficient to all Northeastern states residents for specialty and super specialty treatments. So, and then you have from the PMESY guideline is to bring health treatment as close as possible to the people of the state. Sir, may I know if other states have written why Meghalaya has not written so far to upgrade Negrims to AIMS-like institutes. Because why, sir, I'm saying this? A lot of doctors, I think it's all the knowledge of all of us, a lot of doctors from Negrims have left and joined AIMS Guwahati because they have better opportunities for their career, for treatment, for everything, sir. So I would request if the government, especially under the Honorable Minister now, please take this up seriously, otherwise we're going to lose good doctors here, sir. And then a lot of poor people cannot afford to get, treatment outside the state. Very few, sir, can do that. So if we can take up, because the ministry wants to upgrade these RIMS or other institutes into AIMS-like institutes, sir. So may I request the minister, sir, if this can be taken up, then of course here there is that the ministry has cited, financial constraints of setting up AIMS in each and every state in the Northeast. But so we can always argue the case that since we have Negrims, we don't need so much financial involvement because we have land, we have the infrastructure readily available, maybe a little additional here and there, sir. I think we can have the AIMS. May I request the minister if this can be taken up?
Honorable Speaker, sir, points and suggestions indicated by the Honorable Leader of the Opposition has been noted, sir. And yes, there is a USP to the word or the nomenclature AIMS, and there is this feeling that if we have an AIMS, then we have one state-of-the-art institution in the state. But I want to also rest assure the honorable members and this august house that via this autonomous institute that has been registered for the Negrims, in all probability, it will have as many facilities. It would expand shortly. You must have seen the Ayurvedic Niyas just next door. And there is going to be a state-of-the-art oncology department with very high-tech facilities for radiology and other kinds of facilities. However, since the tag AIIMS means a lot to patients in general, just to inform the honourable member that the former health minister, the honourable chief minister, is well seized and informed of this matter. Honourable chief minister and I had a conversation yesterday where we have already said that yes, we will pursue the matter, and in fact he is just preparing a DO to the honourable health minister, government of India, to also look into the matter and see whether we can also be fortunate to have that kind of institution in the state of Meghalaya, sir.
Sir. So I'd like to thank the Minister and of course the Honourable Chief Minister also for taking this seriously. Sir, I think AIMS is not only a tax, sir. There are so many other advantages. For example, sir, financial and administrative powers are more powers, sir. So I think, sir, it's not only the AIMS tag. Besides, we do not have, for example, sir, departments we are lacking in this. Endocrinology, nephrology, with dialysis unit, gastroenterology, organ transplant, plastic surgery, burns unit, pediatric surgery, medical oncology, nuclear science, and Negrims.
Yes.
At present, we do not have all this. If we have AIMS, we can have all this and ensure that the people of the state and of the regions get all these treatments as close as possible and then ease the financial burden, sir. So I'm happy that you have taken up with the minister, and I trust you because, and sir, I would like to express my appreciation. In fact, I should have started with this, to thank the Honourable Minister for the interactive session where she invited all the MLAs, and we had the officers, the doctors, right from the dispensary level.